flip any second. It's going to relight 2 of its Raptor engines. It's going to use those Raptor engines to help it flip. It's going to do this kick flip maneuver. It's right on target, guys. It's right on target. It's looking fantastic. Here we go. Engine relight, and there's the flip. Yes! Oh God! Oh God! Nope! Nope! Oh, oh my God! Oh, oh my God! Hey, get ready. No, here comes the boom. Here comes the boom because that was just the engine relight. Yes! Woo! We're going to Mars, everybody! Yes! Oh my God! I want to know what happened. I want to know what happened. Gene, let's get you zoomed in on your RoboCam and look at the wreckage, baby. Look at the wreckage, Gene. Let's do it.